Okay, so you're gonna want to make sure that you watch this whole video because it may speak volumes to you, okay? Now, if you guys remember, yesterday I posted a video talking about confidence and discipline. And at the end of the video, I showed you an email or text message that I got from a student by the name of Kelvin. Now, Kelvin messaged me again today, and this is what he had to say. Kelvin said, "Dude, I must sincerely apologize to you for all the things I've said about you in the past, most of which you may never even know." He said, "It's a crazy, guilty, and weird space to be in, knowing that the same person I once tore down is the very one who has completely changed how I view and now trade the market." That's powerful. He said, "I was just so used to seeing guys flash loads of money, cars, or whatever. But to be honest, now that I've joined, I realize that you're just a humble guy who has remained the same over the years. That speaks volumes." He went on to say, "By the way, thank you for the shout out in the post yesterday. After seeing it, a wave of guilt hit me because I know you didn't have to train me at all. In just a few weeks, you've completely shifted my entire perspective on trading. Through your course material, I've been able to pinpoint where I've been going wrong for so long. Like I've heard other students say during training and in their messages, your ability to see and break down the market is on another level. Dude, I have never made this much in one-day trading, especially not on the US 30. Today was my biggest trading day ever. I didn't even know," he said, I didn't ride the market all the way down, but I did secure $1,200 for the day. All I can say is keep being a blessing to so many. Thank you for staying true to who you are from day one. I'm so glad you didn't let people like me, those who once doubted you, stop you from continuing to train others. Kelvin Corley." I want to tell you guys something. Yeah, that's powerful right there. That's really powerful. You guys don't know, this is a very grimy business to be in. It really is. And for him to be man enough to actually approach me with this, it says a lot to him. It says a lot about his character. It really does. So Kelvin, I'm going to send this video to you as well. Thank you so much for real for this. It really means a lot. And I want to tell you guys something. There are plenty of people who doubted me over the years, just like Kelvin. I totally get it. I don't move like everybody else. I'm not flashy like all like that. I stay in my lane. But one thing with certain is if you come to get trained, I'm here to train you. All right? Peace and blessings, everyone.